Hello?
Shant, can you please take work from home for a few days?
What? Yeah, you know my important project is going on. Not possible right now.
But Shant, with office work, it's getting really difficult to handle you on it.
Listen, our house and the kid are your responsibilities. Will you ever understand that?
Shant? Shant?
Shant, are you ready for the party?
Yeah, bro. All set for party tonight. It's been a long, I've had a chilled beer. Hey.
Shant, guess what? I'm getting promoted.
Wow. Great.
I think now that I'll have more work, we should keep a full-time maid now.
What? But we don't need a full-time maid. Manage in whatever you have, or leave this job.
But what about my career?
You're a mom now. You should not be thinking about career and everything.
Wow. Shant, I never expected this from you.
Listen, I don't need this unnecessary drama right now. Just resign today and give Johan your full time. Understand?
Shan, well, there is a bad news for you. Management has decided to let you go.
What? But why, sir?
Well, you know the situation, so I don't think we will be able to continue.
But sir, my wife doesn't even have a job. How will we manage our house?
I understand, but I'll help you find another job. But this is not my decision. It's a management decision and can't do much. I'm really sorry.
Shant, is everything okay?
Dakshi, they fired me from office.
They fired you? But why?
I don't know, because of this current situation. I really don't know what to do now.
Listen, relax. Just take a deep breath. Do one thing. Go and freshen up and I'll make something nice for you to eat. Okay? After that, we can discuss what to do next.
There's nothing to discuss. I made you lose your job and now I don't know how do we survive.
Actually, I still have my job.
What do you mean?
I did not leave my job. It's my dream career. I love it. I managed it somehow, and till the time you don't get a new job, we can survive on this.
But how are you managing everything? Your bigger responsibilities, this house, our kid?
Yes, I know it's difficult, but I requested the people at office and they agreed to give me a break. During that break, I feed and bathe the baby and put him to sleep. After that, I go back to work.
I don't know what to say. I'm really sorry.
You don't have to say anything.
But I should have given more importance to your career. I'm really sorry.
It's okay that you've realized it now. That's enough.
And I promise, no matter what job I get, I'll take up equal responsibilities. And I've realized that, this kid, our house, it's not just a responsibility of a mother, but fathers too.
Thank you for understanding.
At times, we are so self-obsessed by our own priorities that we forget the dreams of our loved ones. It's time to acknowledge and respect them. That's it for this story. See you next week. Khuda Hafiz and stay positive. If you are going through any psychological or relationship problem, then you can join our positivity group by the name of Nijo Positive. It's a community counseling group wherein you can submit your problems anonymously and people in the group will try to solve it or support you with positivity. The link is in the description below. Thank you. Bye-bye.